I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Chevy Malibu headlight, updated. Begin by parking on level ground, turning off the engine, and engaging the parking brake. Open the hood and remove the plastic cover to reveal the back of the headlight. Disconnect the electrical harness by pressing the tab and pulling gently. Unbolt the assembly, remove the old bulb or housing, install the replacement, reconnect wiring, and test the light alignment. Start by opening the hood and locating the headlight rear access cover. Remove any clips or screws, then pull the cover off to reveal the connector and bulb. Press the connector tab and carefully unplug the harness, avoiding sharp tugs. Next, use the correct socket to unfasten the assembly bolts, supporting the housing with your other hand. Gently slide the assembly forward and free it from its mounting points so you can access the bulb. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video. It really helps the channel. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum voice control, which keeps your garage and workspace tidy while you wrench. Check the description for the link and other deals to save time and effort on cleanup. Thanks for watching, and now let's get back to the video. With the assembly removed, install the new bulb by aligning its tabs and seating it fully in the socket. Avoid touching the glass surface with bare fingers to prevent hot spots and premature failure. Reinstall the housing into its mount, hand thread bolts to start, then tighten to snug specifications. Reconnect the electrical harness and replace the access cover. Turn on headlights, verify operation, and adjust the beam aim if needed for safe nighttime visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.